guys, so today on our cleaning, it's a little far away because this is how I'm able to get you to see what I'm trying to do here. So today is to wipe down the pantries. We have two in ours. So one over here and one over there matching. So I'm just going to show you this one. And so what is a pantry? It's glass on top for display and then food on the bottom. And so the glass has all kinds of nasties on it, and then the bottom does too. So, in case you haven't figured it out yet, our fire cloth or kitchen cloth is the best things for the kitchen. So I've got our same purple cloth and our same window cloth. And if you've noticed I'm in the same outfit, it's because I'm doing all the same ones on the same day ahead of time. I don't wear the same outfit 3 days apart. Okay, so, just in case you were questioning. So, I'm just going to wipe down the glass, and apparently the inside too. See, there's grungies on the inside. Happened, okay. So, then I'm just going to dry the glass. So on the bottom, when I'm just doing the white part, I'm not going to bother using the window cloth. It's not necessary. But for the glass, if it was just a few fingerprints, I could totally just use the window cloth. But mine is not. It's food and milk and all kinds of fun. Okay. So. All right. Can you see me? Okay. I think so. I'll just do the bottom here. There we go. So that's done. Easy peasy. So that's your mission for today. Wipe down your pantries and that's that. Have a great day, guys.